Hi and welcome to Lesson 4 of Catalog Visibility Options, Managing Product Visibility by Category. In this video, I will show you how to manage product visibility by category using the Catalog Visibility Options plugin. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on Categories. Here, you will see a list of all product categories. To restrict visibility for a category, click on the category you want to edit. Now go to Role Visibility Rules and select Show to Specific Roles. Now you can choose which user roles can see this category. For example, you can allow only specific roles like administrator or customer. Next, we have Location Visibility Rules. From here, you can choose the location rule for products in this category, like specific locations or any location. Next, choose which roles can purchase products in this category. You can use store settings for everyone, specific roles, locations who can purchase, and locations who cannot purchase. Now configure who can view prices in this category. You can use store settings, everyone, select specific roles, locations who can view prices, and locations who cannot view prices. Let's select specific roles and add the roles that can view prices, like administrator and customer. Next, in description visibility, you can control how the category description is displayed. You can choose default or first page only. If a product belongs to multiple categories, the visibility setting from the first category alphabetically will apply. Keep this in mind when assigning categories to products. After selecting the roles, scroll down and click on the Update button. This will apply the visibility settings to all the products in that category. And that's it. With these settings, you can easily control who sees your products based on their categories and user roles. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.